Just sleep, just sleep. Just watch TV.
Okay, so as you know, we're making some chicken curry, or is it curry chicken? I'm gonna go with chicken curry. So we're making some chicken curry. I'm gonna show you guys how I make my chicken curry. I know everyone has a different way of how they make their chicken curry, so just do not judge and be my. Right, so potatoes is a must. I love potatoes. I put potatoes in basically everything. Oop, I think I have the wrong knife. Yep. So I've been craving this for a while, and I'm like, you know what? It's Sunday, and it's a day where we like chill, like getting ready back for work on Monday. So why not make some homemade chicken curry with maybe rice or roti. I know it's been a while since I did a cooking video, and this is why I insisted on doing one today because like the time to do all the things that I want to do, it's not there. So luckily this will be good. Adding some oil, and I'm gonna let that heat up a bit. All right. So we have our shallot, pepper, and celery. I'm gonna add this in as well. Salt. Aji, this is nice. Of course, I'm adding in some chicken cube. I'm adding in 2 chicken cubes. Now we're gonna mix it up. stirring it up, making sure that everything is like fully bunji or bunjal as we would say. You guys, I love cooking. Cooking is one of the best thing ever. It's like so much creativity, adding things to your pot, flavors. It's amazing. Cooking is amazing. Look at all the flavor this curry is losing, guys. Juicy. So I love to let the water burn out a little. That's like the ripeness, and it also gives the chicken the curry flavor. It's gonna absorb, so that's why I'd leave it to burn out and keep stirring it a bit. And I'm gonna stop for a little and let it burn out completely, and add it in, let it boil. Ooh. Now I'm just gonna cover, turn it down a bit, and let it cook. It's hot. All right, let's do this back again. Ooh, there we go. So good. Okay, so this is our delicious chicken curry. Looks so good. We're gonna have it with roti or either some nice rice. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment down below so I can hear from you. I know it's a one-way thing where I talk all the time and I don't hear from you, but the comment section is down below for you to tell me anything that you want to tell me, reach out to me in any way you'd want, requests that you might have. So feel free to drop a comment down below.